Hello everyone, my name is Ilamon Emmanuel. We are going here to simulate about Kirchhoff current law. We are going to use 3 resistors and 15 voltage. We will see what happened about the current because Kirchhoff law say the sum of the current in is equal to the sum of the current go out. Here we have 3 resistors and 3 ammeter to help us to measure the current go in. Okay. Okay, we have to connect all components. Okay, we have to connect the generator. Connect the generator for 50. Okay, we have to found the ground. Okay. Okay, we have to change here. We have 10 ohm, and here we have 5 ohm, and here we have 30 ohm. Now we are going to see what happened about the current, because Kirchhoff current law say the sum of the current in is equal to the sum of the current go out. It means current 1, these are the current 1 is equal current 2 plus current 3. We are going to see what happened. Yes, we have 3.50 current in. Here in current 1 we have 2, here we have 0. It means 3 plus 1 is equal this. Now the sum of this current are equal. Yeah, okay. Okay, the sum of the current in is equal to total to the current go out. Okay, thank you for watching. Now we understand Kirchhoff current law. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.